This is why I can't have nice things, 'cause I break them, but I'll take them for granted. Yeah. The second I tell you how I feel, I get anxious, and I don't understand it. Can't you see I'm trying? Oh, but every time I blame it on the timing. I know it's a lie, but we've been lying closer. I've been getting colder. It's already over in my mind. Maybe that's why I only buy cheap sunglasses, 'cause I know that I lose them sooner or later.